Hi, my name is Kari and I'm the product architect here at FieldSync. In this video, I'd like to cover one of our 7 reports that you can find within the reporting module, and this is the log report. Now, the reports module is available to all of our user roles with the exception of the system administrator and the mobile user. So as long as you have any of the other roles, you'll be able to get to the reports. So select the reports button from the main menu, and this will take you to the reports module. Now, by default, you will see the log report. Within the log report, you are able to view all of the logs that have been captured either on the mobile or on the web application. Not only are you able to view the data that's been collected, but you can also export the information and print the information. Now, by default, you will see any logs that have been created within the last week. Now, I haven't created any in the last week, but if I change the date range, you'll see that I have a number of records listed here. Now I can further filter down the number of records by using the filters at the top. So first of all, I can choose a group if I wanted to. This will filter down the data based on the customer or entity groups. I can also choose a specific customer or entity and view only the logs created for that entity. I can also view all the logs by user. And finally, I can filter the list by the type of log. Now, by default, we only display a minimum number of fields within the grid. However, if you want to see additional information, you can simply select the type of log and choose search again. Now you'll see that all of the fields that are included within the inspection form type are listed here, and all of the data is present. Now that I have all of the data that's been captured, I can also export the data by selecting on this Export to Excel button. Now if I want to take a deeper look at a specific log, I can select the View button, and here you will see a formatted report that has all of the information in it. Now all the data that's been collected, including a photo, signature, all that information is there. Then I can choose to export the report to any of these formats and send it as an email attachment or save it to my computer. Now, as you can see, I've added a logo up here in the upper left-hand corner, and I also have a customized title. Let's go ahead and jump into the settings so I can show you how to set that up. So first of all, we'll need to go to the Settings module and then navigate to the Logs tab. Now, within the Logs tab, you'll see all of the different log types that I've created within FieldSync. And the one that we were just looking at was the inspection form. So I'll select Edit. And here you can see all of the report settings. So I can select a header image. I can also add in a custom title. Now if you don't put in a custom title, the default will be to use the name of the log type that you've created. I can also indicate the alignment of that title and the font size. I can also do a custom footer and indicate the alignment and font size of that as well. And finally, you do have an option to display the configurable field data in one column or in 2 columns. Now if we select this little help button here, it will show you an example. So one column would have the label and the data all in line with each other, and a 2-column example would have the label and the data in a separate column. So let's go ahead and change this to 1 column and go take a look at that same report that we just were looking at. So if I go to my reports, change the date range, and now if I choose View on this report again, you'll see that the data is displayed in 1 column instead of 2, with the label and then the data below it. So that's all that I have to show you regarding the log report. If you have any questions about the log report or any of the other reports, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you.